Explore the depths of human behavior and discover the science behind thought patterns, emotions, and mental processes. The Master of Arts in Psychology at Chandigarh University blends experiential learning with creative problem-solving, equipping you to become a catalyst for community well-being and psychological advancement. With an industry-aligned curriculum, develop expertise in biological psychology, cognitive psychology, social psychology, neuropsychology, and beyond. Gain invaluable hands-on experience through collaborations with top research institutes and healthcare organizations, opening doors to practical learning opportunities. Cultivate a strong research mindset as you dive into innovative projects and gain support for publishing research papers and filing patents while leveraging research opportunities with international institutes. Learn from international faculty who bring global insights into the classroom, enriching the academic atmosphere. Pioneer the future of mental health with transformative insights.